For over a century, SKF has kept industries moving, engineering bearings, seals, and solutions that reduce friction worldwide. Just like many other industries, we rely on steel. We know that every new bearing produced means more steel and more emissions. But why replace what's too good to be replaced? With SKF Remanufacturing, bearings get a second life. Same standards and warranties, improved TCO and lead time, and up to 90% less CO2. 25 years of experience, 20-plus centers worldwide, proven results. We reuse 4.5 million kilograms of steel annually, avoiding 15.6 million kilograms of CO2. From workshops to automated factories, we're making circular manufacturing the norm. Join us.